welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create threads on Discord. So select the threads button here. So it is up here. I think you can only add it if you own the server or you're an admin. Select the threads button here and select create here or here, and then select type down the thread name. So for instance, I'm just going to type in Disney Dreamlight Valley updates. You can also make it a private thread, and you have to enter a message to start the conversation. Maybe type in like coming this summer, new characters and biomes maybe, and then press enter. And then as you can see, it created like a thread here, and then to view the thread, just select the view message here, or in like threads you can like view the thread here, and you can select the thread, and as you can see it's also like here, like the thread. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!